This is the Audio-Technica AP-LP120XBT USB turntable. It digitizes 33s, 45s, and 78 vinyl records in real time. To begin, first turn on the turntable. The device will light up. Place the vinyl record on the platter. Gently remove the cartridge protector from the needle. Switch between type of record by pressing 33 or 45, or press both to select 78s. The 45 adapter is located in the upper left corner of the turntable. Once you are ready, press the Start/Stop button. On the Digital Legacy Lab PC, open Audacity. Under Audio Setup, confirm that the recording device is set to vinyl recorder and that the playback device is set to whichever device you are using to listen. Then press the Record button. Use the tone arm lift to lower the needle onto the outside edge of the record as it spins. The record will begin playing, and Audacity will start recording your record. When the record is done, press the Stop button on Audacity. Then lift the tone arm using the lift, and clamp it into its resting place. Press the Start/Stop button on the turntable to stop the platter from spinning. You can trim the beginning and end of your audio by clicking and dragging, then selecting the Trim option in Audacity. You can also trim the end by clicking and dragging on the end of the track itself to the end of your audio. To save your audio, select File, then Export Audio. Here, you can name your file, choose your file format, where you would like to save your file, and trim the blank space at the beginning of your audio. You can also edit your metadata, such as track title, artist, and album. When you are done, select Export. If you did not change where the file is stored, you will need to move your file onto the USB device. First, select File Explorer, then Documents. Double-click on the Audacity folder. Move your file to your USB device by clicking and dragging on the file. When you are finished, gently replace the cartridge protector onto the needle and turn off the turntable.